Hey creators, I'm Cynthia Gujian of Complete and Utter Mess Inspired Mixed Media Tutorials. But today, I'm unboxing the Made with Love Relax and Home Kit from tinypandora.com. Come on and check it out with me. So here's my package from tinypandora.com. You can see she ships very quickly. Teresa ships quickly. And let's see, what do we have here? These look like some water slide transfers, and these are a little gift from Teresa. Teresa puts little gifts in all the packages when you purchase something from her. So these water slide transfers are a gift for me, and I appreciate that, Teresa. Thank you. And then this is some general directions for the use and care of Teresa's products. And now I can see that I have my little wooden sign that says relax. It's going to be really fun to decorate. I think I'm going to, well, you know, there's so many choices. I could cover it with paper or paint it or use clay. I can't wait. Can't wait to play with these. And then here's the second one, and it says home. And, you know, same thing. The possibilities are endless. There's a lot I could do this. Maybe I'll pull out my wood-burning pens. And then we have a bag here filled with some supplies. So let me get the box out of the way so we can see everything. It was a big bag. And I'm going to go ahead and, you know, just put my wooden signs here where you guys can all see them. And my water slide transfers. And let's see, what do we have in here? A lot of stuff. So these are some, you know, plastic containers. And I guess they're considered disposable, but you could probably wash them out many, many times. And those are probably great to put glue or varnish in, you know, decant your varnish in there. This is, it's a makeup brush, and it's great for applying, well, not just paint, but also powders and things like that. And then we have a pretty stiff brush here, and I'm thinking that one is for you to apply glue. All right, you usually use that type for glue. And then, oh, there's not just one, but there's two plastic palettes. 6-cup palettes. Those are always useful. You can never have too many of those. Nice and small, easy to store. And then there's some liquid adhesive from Craft Square. And you know, I've read some great reviews on this particular liquid adhesive. There's a pretty big bottle of that. There's plenty of that there. Plenty to complete this project. And then there's some all-purpose varnish. And the varnish is safe to use on polymer clay. It's in a nice glass bottle. I know I'll be reusing that bottle when I finish up the varnish. And this is a craft knife, or, you know, scalpel, some people call it, with 6 different blades. And boy, you can never have too many craft knives. Craft knives go missing, so I appreciate the extra craft knife. And then finally, let's see, this is some Dura Gold sandpaper, 400 grit. And I'm calling it sandpaper, but it's actually like a cloth-backed sandpaper, which is great. That makes it strong. You know, it doesn't tear. And there you go. There's all the things that you get in the Made with Love Relax and Home Kit from www.tinypandora.com. I really can't wait to get started playing around with this kit and showing you guys what can be done. So once again, stop by www.tinypandora.com and pick up a Made with Love Relax and Home Kit. Till next time, keep creating. Bye-bye.